In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the fundamental differences between Jira and ClickUp to help you decide which tool might be better for you in 2025. Now, choosing between these two platforms comes down to a very basic distinction: what you need them for. Essentially, Jira shines as a specialized tool made specifically for agile development, while ClickUp presents itself as a versatile, all-in-one productivity platform that's designed to accommodate a wide range of work needs. Let's first dive into the specifics of Jira, which is particularly designed with developers and technical teams in mind. For many in the industry, Jira stands as the gold standard when it comes to software development, IT management, and agile team coordination. It excels in offering structured workflows, a feature that is critical for maintaining order within technical projects. Moreover, its issue tracking capability is both powerful and customizable, which makes it unparalleled for handling bugs, technical problems, or any hiccups that could arise during project development. Its strength is very much in its ability to scale. It is equipped to handle large and complex organizations with advanced security and permission controls. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Jira's technical interface can be rather intimidating for those not rooted in the technical field. Its less user-friendly nature can pose a steep learning curve for individuals or teams who aren't well-versed in tech jargon. On top of that, Jira's structure, which revolves heavily around issues, may make it less adaptable for creative or non-agile projects. Switching gears, let's talk about ClickUp. This platform is on a mission to be the singular app that manages every conceivable type of work. ClickUp is celebrated for its outstanding flexibility and its extensive array of features. With customizable views such as List, Board, and Gantt, and the adaptability offered through ClickApps, ClickUp proves it can be tailored to suit any workflow for any team. The hallmark of ClickUp is its all-encompassing platform, featuring native docs, whiteboards, goals, and even AI features, which aims to consolidate all work in one place. ClickUp is also favored for its clear interface and an emphasis on collaboration, making it particularly accessible to non-technical teams, such as marketing, operations, or HR. What's more, the platform offers better value with a generous free plan and competitive pricing, appealing to individuals and teams mindful of their budget. Nevertheless, it has its drawbacks. The sheer volume of features might be overwhelming for new users stepping into the platform for the first time. And while ClickUp does offer agile features, it doesn't quite match the technical depth for bug reporting that Jira is able to provide. In summary, consider choosing Jira if you are a software development team in need of a structured and powerful platform for issue tracking and agile project management. On the other hand, if you're part of a diverse, cross-functional team that desires a flexible, all-encompassing tool to centralize your entire workload, ClickUp might be the right choice for you. Each tool has its strengths and potential limitations, so consider your specific needs and team dynamics when making your choice.